How to create a second email address. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily create a second email address on your device. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your Google browser and just search in for Gmail. And once you search in for Gmail or email, just simply tap on the first link and make sure you're signed into your official email account. As you can see, I've already signed into my official Gmail account. So once you're inside here, what you need to do is just tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, and to add your second email account, you just have to click on this add account. From over here, it will take you to this place where you can officially add your existing email account or phone number which you used to register. So if you don't have another email account, which in this video I'm showing you, so to create a new account or your second account, just tap on this create account option. So just tap on any of the personal use or any of the option. So in this case I'm selecting for my personal use. So just enter your first name and last name just like this. And once you enter your first name and last name, it will ask you to enter your date of birth just like this. And once you do all of that, select your gender from over here and just click on next. And you just have to provide your Gmail address, username for your Gmail address. So once you find your perfect Gmail username, just click on next and just enter your password from over here. So just click on next, and it might ask you to enter your phone number from over here. So you can also enter your phone number just like this. And once you enter your phone number, it will ask you to enter the 6-digit code which it has sent to your mobile device. So just enter that and press on enter over here. You can also add a recovery email address. For now, I'll just skip it and click on next and click on I agree. And just like that, guys, you have successfully created your second email address on your device. So if you want to switch between those two Gmail addresses, just click on this and you can see there will be account popping up right below your first Gmail. So you can simply tap on it to switch between the accounts. So hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.